Alright, so I'm out here at my first ever autocross event. Just having a good time. I got 2 runs in. I got the first run. I didn't record that because I really wasn't expecting it to be a run. It was supposed to just be a parade lap, but ended up being a run. Raced me out of, so I got that one out the way. Then I went back and did another run, which I'm gonna plug in right now. Yeah, so I did that run, and after that run I beat the Z3. I actually beat him by a lot more than I was expecting. So after that run, the transmission just seemed real tight. It wasn't going in first gear, so I was like, all right, left off in second, came back to the parking spots, the pits, whatever. And when I got back here is when I started, the shifter and everything, and I see that everything with the linkage and everything is still okay, but the transmission just won't shift. Like, it's super fucking tight. So I'm just letting it cool off right now. Hopefully it's nothing too serious. If it is, gotta fix it. I guess that's just how it goes. But I'm gonna keep y'all updated, and we'll see how it goes. All right, so the trans is okay. The shift was binding. We manhandled it, and it's good now. So I drove it around back in line for another run. For my second ride along, look who I got with me. Say hey, baby.
Hey.
Yeah, so time for the second ride along, and hopefully everything goes good for the rest of the day. right, so we got another run down. The trans is still good, but it like grinds in second. I don't know what the deal with that is. Even like downshifting from third to second and then upshifting from first to second. If I don't, baby it, it'll grind a little. All right, getting ready for the next run. I'm like 3-4 cars ahead of us. This time I'm taking my girlfriend's friend with me, best friend, one of the best friends, one of them. All right, cool. So I got I'm getting. Oh wait, what time is it? Damn, I think I missed the last run. Damn. Yeah, I think I didn't record the last run. But yeah, so I'm getting the runs in, car's feeling good. I just, with the shifter, just got to take my time with it. And because I'm taking my time, I'm losing a lot of time to the people that I'm going against. But it's okay, I'm just out here having fun, getting comfortable with the car. So, that's part of the reason why we come out to stuff like this, so we can find out what the weak point is, build on it, make it better. So, I don't know if it's my shifter itself, I don't know, but when I get home, like I said, once I just take it easy, kind of easy on the shifts, it's not as bad. So I'm gonna just keep doing that, taking it easy, and then when I get home, probably either tonight or tomorrow, I'm gonna take it apart and look at it and see what's going on, check everything over real quick. But yeah, I'm having a blast, man. This is fun. I'm gonna definitely do a lot more of these events in the coming months. All 2023. This was the goal for 2023, was to just drive as much as I can, as many events as I can, things like that, just to get as much seat time, get comfortable with the car, actually get on track. I've been wanting to do it for years. Now I'm finally doing it, so it's just, I'm happy.
Let's go, baby. He's used to the other track. Come on. Let's go.
All right, so I'm calling it, okay. Yeah, I'm calling it quits early. The transmission keeps grinding. I'm gonna try and change the fluid, and I don't want to keep running it and possibly damage the transmission. So I'm gonna try and, like I said, I'm gonna call it quits early. Go ahead, take it home, try and change out the fluid. Hopefully that takes care of it, and if not, pull it out and see what's going on. But so that's the plan right now. But other than that, I mean, it ran good. I had a really good time. The GoPro turned off for a few of my runs, so hopefully I got enough in there, that's worth watching and stuff like that. But I'm gonna give y'all more of an update when I get home. I'm gonna just go turn in these helmets. So we made it home safely. It's still grinding. Second gear is grinding real bad. But looking over everything, I had checked the fluids on everything. Everything is where it's supposed to be. So I was like, all right. So while I was driving, if I rev match it and kind of just get the RPMs in the right spot, it'll just drop right into second gear, fine, no problem, boom, smooth. But then if you don't catch it right, then it'll just grind. It's just and then it'll drop into gear, and then when it drops into gear, it's kind of loud and clunky. So that leads me to believe that it's the second gear synchro. The fluid is still full, and it is a little dirty because I had rebuilt the transmission myself, me and my dad, because it's actually a CTSV T56 that we converted to a F-body T56. So we changed the main shaft, the shift rails, some other stuff in there that we changed around, and converted it. So I'm like, so our hands was in there. The fluid's a little dirty. It's not like black or anything like that. It's nothing crazy, but I got a lot of transmission fluid, so I'm gonna swap out the fluid, try and drive it, see what happens. But if that doesn't work, I'm gonna just snatch out the transmission, tear it apart, and see what's going on inside. Hopefully it's just the second gear synchro, which, like I said, I believe it is, just from how it's driving. So while I was driving it home, just to avoid that, I was just skipping second, just first to third. You know, the engine makes enough torque, and it's a real short gear ratio, so didn't really make it that hard to drive like that. But yeah, so I'm gonna take care of that. And at least this time, because last time when we rebuilt the transmission and converted it over, we didn't document it, because like that's when I was like first starting YouTube, and I was just like trying to do like the cool stuff and things. But it's like, I'm interested in transmission rebuilds. Y'all might be interested in transmission rebuilds and converting T56s, stuff like that. So I mean, you know, we'll put it on there and see, you know, see what's up, and show you us opening it up and show you what actually happened. But I'm not upset. It was you know, it was a successful day. I had fun. I didn't get as many runs on camera as I wanted to, or at least as I thought I did, because I wasn't turning on the camera, because I was so focused on what was going on with the transmission. So I do apologize for that, but they do it every month, so hopefully next month everything is good with the car. We'll be all right, and then we can hit that one next month, and then in March, if everything goes smooth, everything goes to plan, we're hitting road Atlanta. We're going to the big road course, and then we could really open her up, stretch her legs, and see spread her legs. Damn. Yeah, but stretch her legs and see what's going on. Yep. But thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I'll see y'all next time.